What's up, you guys? It's your girl Suzie back again with another video. So I'm taking out my hair from this ponytail. Like, this ponytail is very suffocating because my hair is very thick at the roots. So to try to get my hair into a low ponytail is amazing to me. I just couldn't take it anymore. But I washed my hair probably like a week prior to this, but it does kind of have like an older smell, but it's not necessary for me to wash. Like, I literally smelled my hair, but I'm going to style it, and I wanted to show you guys some of the products that I use for this style, which is going to be new to me as well as new to you. I know I always say that you must stick to the same products that you started out with, but it's okay, which I've realized, I've learned over the course of time that you can jump in and try new products. Just do your research, and if you like it, keep it. If you don't, you know better next time. So I decided to go ahead and try something out, and I wanted to share with you guys and let you know how it worked. I needed a new brush and I needed a new comb. I got this brush from the dollar store. Yup, at the dollar store. And I got this comb from Walmart. Comment down below, what do you call these? I call them scrunchies, but I got these from Walmart as well. And oftentimes I'll buy them and then I end up losing them. So how often do you guys lose them? For some reason, I just cannot keep track of these scrunchies. It is always recommended to wet your hair before you comb your hair, because combing dry hair, 1, it hurts, 2, it tears your hair, and 3, it hurts. Like, it really does hurt. So make sure you comb your ends all the way to the root, so that way you're not causing any damage or tension to your hair by starting from the root to the ends. I've noticed that when I wet my hair, I don't have to comb my hair as much. My hair has grown a whole lot, and I am very proud of myself, because I literally preach the fact of, if you use the same products, the same routine, regimen, however you want to call it, your hair will grow. Like, you have to be patient. You know, try protective styles. You can try new things, but don't always overdo it. Don't overthink it. Just allow your hair to breathe, as well as protect. Like, protect your hair, let it breathe. Protect your hair, let it breathe. And with that same thought process, is just result after result after result. To my returning subscribers as well as my new subscribers, I just want to let you know that in almost every hair video that I've done, I always comb my hair and I twist it, just so that it's easier for me to part and get ready to do whatever style I need, because my hair is very thick and very nappy at the ends. So that is why I am always twisting my hair. So in case you guys were wondering, but go ahead and comment down below, how do you prepare your hair to style? Ooh, look at my twist. Girl. Trust the process, people. Trust the process, and your hair will grow. It will. It will. I bought this aloe vera gel from Walmart. It's about $3 and some change. I don't know. Very inexpensive. Duh, it's Walmart. And I bought this in replacement for the plant. Like, I would use the plant on my hair, but I didn't have any at the moment. And I also would use the As I Am smoothing gel. If you don't know what that is, go ahead and check out some of my other videos. I am faithful to that product. I use that ever since I did my big chop. I've been using that for about almost 3 years now, and I definitely recommend the As I Am smoothing gel. I do not use Eco Styling gel. I have not used that ever since I cut my hair because it allows so many flakes and it hardens my hair, and I don't like my hair to be very hard because in the end it's a lot to comb and, you know, repair. Like, I don't like that. But the aloe vera gel, you can't even tell that I apply it to my hair. It's a lot thinner than the As I Am smoothing gel, but I definitely recommend you guys try it out. I also got this Aunt Jackie's Curl Lala Defining Curl Custard, and your girl has been wanting to define her curls for the longest. And the fact that when I opened the container itself, the smell was so strong. It's like lavender. It's just like, oh my gosh, it's as if I just washed my hair or something. Like, it smells really, really nice, and it's thin and it spreads. Like, once you add water to your hair and you apply it, it just spreads throughout your hair. So I was like, okay, you got me on that one. It's very inexpensive. I got it at Walmart. I'm pretty sure you can find it at other stores. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. But I know I got it at Walmart. It was about $6 or $7. And I would definitely keep this product. But this isn't something I would use on the regular. This is just when I want to twist my hair and have like really small curls. I would probably use this. right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And just a reminder that any of these products they're not sponsored. I just want to let you guys know what products I came across and share with you guys if you want to try it out. And if you did already, please comment down below to let me know. And be sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for post notifications for whenever I do upload a video. You'll be notified right away. All right, see you in the next video. Bye, you guys.